Welcome to Hustle Empire. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 side hustles that will pay you $10,000 per month. If you start today, you might easily make $10,000 each month. I've made a lot of money through side hustles, so I'm pleased to be the first to tell you about them. Selling digital products on Etsy. So, let's start with the most obvious side hustle. Selling digital products on Etsy. One of my close friends makes $12,000 per month from this side business, so if you start your own, you may get similar results. For those who are new, Etsy is a website where you can sell practically anything. One of the best things you can sell on Etsy is digital items. This is really easy because there is no initial investment or inventory needed, and it can be set up in a single day. Here's an example of a digital product you might sell right now. Let's talk about how you can get started with your side hustle right away. The first step is to look at popular digital items that are currently selling on Etsy. For example, this is a best-selling item, and people on Etsy are often seeking for calendars like this one. So you can give something similar like this, and it's actually rather straightforward. I'll show you how to create these best-selling items. The first step is to go to Canva, where you will create all of your digital items. And now I'm going to search for a planner on Canva, which is providing me with a plethora of different planner designs that I may utilize. For example, this one over here is great. I could actually use this and change it little to look like the popular ones on Etsy. And when I'm done with my design, I can just download this file, upload it to Etsy, and sell it. If someone searches for a planner on Etsy, they will come across your item and purchase it. You will then be able to profit. And I recommend that you start by selling 5 to 10 different digital items. This allows you to see what sells the best and just increase your double down on it. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. Moving on to the next side venture, this time freelance writing with the help of ChatGPT. This is one of my favorite side hustles, and it's quite easy to start. You'd be required to write product descriptions, blog posts, articles, and other written material as a freelance writer. For those of you who want an alternative way of writing, I may have a solution. There's an OpenAI called ChatGPT where you can have custom written articles in seconds. Assume someone requires assistance in writing a blog article comparing Shopify to Wix. You may now ask ChatGPT anything and it will offer a summary. ChatGPT will practically answer whatever question you ask it. For example, I'll ask you to write a 1-paragraph essay on why becoming a social media influencer is a good side business, and as you can see, you'll get a fairly good answer that you can really use. By using ChatGPT, you can easily become a freelance writer and help people with their blogs, articles, and other projects. The next step is to search for freelance writers on Upwork.com. Take a look at some of the most recent job posts. Now, click here, have a look, and take notes since you'll be creating a listing similar to this, and you can easily create a listing on Upwork. You only need to follow this easy technique to be finished. So, once you've posted your listing, all you have to do now is wait for clients, and I suggest that you propose pricing your service lower than others on Upwork to get started in order to build your clientele portfolio. You'll get your first client much faster this way. Posting YouTube Shorts. Let's go on. Posting motivating YouTube Shorts is the next side hustle that I believe everyone should explore. YouTube Shorts just got monetized, and it's a great method to build your brand in 2023. And it is actually fairly simple to do. The most exciting aspect is that YouTube is now paying users to post YouTube Shorts. This new feature that they are offering, you should definitely take advantage of it. A YouTube video is also quite simple to make. It lasts only 5 to 32 seconds. The nicest part is that you do not have to show your face in these films. To be honest, uploading motivating or money-related material is the simplest approach to get the most views and make the most money on YouTube video. Here's an example of a video you might want to share. You should strive to upload 1 to 2 of these videos every day on your account. If you're looking for video ideas, I propose going to TikTok and searching for money motivation, then looking through all of those videos. There are a lot of popular videos here, as you can see, and you should replicate the most popular videos since they will most likely perform well on YouTube Shorts if they do well on TikTok. If you don't know how to produce a video, you can use the website Canva, and I honestly believe you'll be able to begin this side business in less than an hour per day. You might as well try it right now, using Printify for Pod. Now, on to the next unheard of side hustle, making bespoke canvases on Printify and selling them on Etsy. I've seen a lot of people try and succeed with this side hustle. I'm putting it to the test right now, and I'll let you know how it goes. But first and foremost, sign up for a free Etsy account. Then go to Printify and create a free account. Printify now allows you to personalize practically any product you want. However, we will focus on customizing canvases for this side venture. So, the creative options for your canvas are really limitless, and you can pretty much do whatever you want. Let us create a design that is already selling well on Etsy. On Etsy, for example, money or motivating canvas art sells quite well. Here's an example of something you might produce and sell on Etsy. Of course, you may still be inventive and market something that you like and feel others would appreciate as well. For example, if you want to sell sunset artwork, you may do so on Etsy. As you can see, there are several popular sunset canvases for sale on this page. So, now that you know there is a demand for this artwork, you may make it. And I'll show you a tool for producing custom artwork. You might use Doll-E2, a website that can produce any design in seconds. You may describe how you want your canvas to look and it will create a few different photographs for you to use. You can practically search for anything with as much information as you like on this site and it will make a picture for you. If you wish, you can also use Canva to create designs. After your design is ready, you may download the file and upload it to Printify, where you will design the canvas. The next step is to connect your Etsy and Printify accounts so that you may sell your customized canvas on Etsy for more than it costs to make on Printify. Assume a consumer discovers your goods on Etsy and decides to buy it. Printify will then start working on your canvas and delivery it directly to the buyer. So Printify takes care of everything. You don't have to worry about product inventories or shipping. Become a video editor. I'm sure you've heard about this side hustle a million times, but I'm going to present a method that no one has mentioned. So my editor currently earns over $10,000 per month and collaborates with a wide range of YouTubers. He told me about his plan, which I think is fantastic. So let me tell you about it. The first step, obviously, is to learn how to edit videos. It's actually rather simple to learn, and there are a few decent YouTube courses available. I anticipate that mastering this skill will take around a week or two. The second step is to decide on a specialty in which to specialize. So, for example, do you want to edit for gaming YouTubers, financial YouTubers, or lifestyle YouTubers? So, once you've decided who you want to edit for, you may select the best editing style for that producer. Assume you've decided you want to edit for financial YouTubers and have done extensive research on their editing style. Now, discover 5 to 10 different finance YouTubers and study their videos to see if they may be enhanced through editing. Furthermore, if you feel you can improve their editing quality. So, the next step is to go to their video and extract the clip from it. Then you should go ahead and modify this video yourself. Then send the YouTuber an email that looks like this. So tell the YouTuber that you specialize in editing for their specific niche, and of course, you'll send them a sample of your work, which is the new clip you created. Suppose you adopt this method and end up emailing 5 different YouTubers. I'm convinced that at least one of them will be interested in working with you, and you can ultimately scale this up and work for a variety of YouTubers while earning significantly more money. Airbnb Property Manager. Moving on, anyone may start working as an Airbnb property manager as a side venture. My mother's close friend does this for a monthly salary of $7,500 to $15,500, and she did provide me with good advice, which I will share with you. Many people will go ahead and rent out their houses on Airbnb, which comes with a lot of effort and care. You would step in as a property manager and collect 20% of all revenues. It is then your job to ensure that the Airbnb is well managed, which includes things like cleaning and replenishing. So, let's assume someone bought $2,000 for a week's stay on Airbnb. You'd earn approximately a 20% commission, which would equate to about $400. But how do you get started with this side hustle? So, the first thing I do is go to this Airbnb-owned website and apply to be an Airbnb manager there. You may also contact Airbnb owners in your area and inquire whether they require an Airbnb property manager. You want to reassure them that you know what you're doing and will be a great property manager. And the great thing about having a side hustle is that it may quickly become your full-time income. My dad's friend manages about 7 Airbnbs and has even hired people to help her manage them. So this side hustle is really scalable and nearly anyone can do it. But that pretty much covers up the best side hustles that you can start right now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next video.